Hi guys, Microsoft has released the official version of Windows 11 with new changes. Today, we will guide you on how to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 11. The computer configuration to install Windows 11 is processor, 1 GHz, GHz, or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip, SoC. RAM, 4 GB, GB. Storage capacity, note for 64 GB or higher storage devices. System microprogram, UEFI, safe boot support. TPM, Trusted Platform Module, TPM, version 2.0. Graphics card, DirectX 12 or later, compatible with the WDDM 2.0 driver. Display, high resolution, 720p, screen larger than 9 across lines, 8 bits per color channel. My computer is installing Windows 7. Here's how to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 11. First you go to the import site from download ISO file Win11, then search, show up the site, you click on the download page Windows 11 Microsoft. Here are the versions to download. You click the download tool now of Create Windows 11 Installation Media because it will generate the tool to test the appropriate version used in your machine. Then click the mouse on the item was downloaded about, window appears, you choose yes, wait for the checker to test your version of Windows to download the version suitable for the machine as 32 or 64-bit. After checking you choose accept to continue. Window choosing language and version of window, you leave the default then select next. Here you select ISO file, click next. Next you put the file name to download and save to your directory. I'll save it to the desktop. The download window starts, and the file window 11 starts. You wait for the download to take about 15 minutes, and the download speed is fast or slow depending on your internet connection speed. After the download, you choose the Finish option. Next, you select the downloaded ISO file and click to uncompress a new folder. If you don't have the decompression software installed, watch the video you've linked to in the description to see how to decompress. After uncompressing, you open the folder you just uncompressed, double-click on the setup, and the window asks if you want to change the settings. You choose yes. Check, and the installation window appears. You click on Change How Setup Download Update. There are two items you select not to install now to install quickly. Then select Next to continue. Then choose Accept. You check the setup, select the data window here, and upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 11 will only retain the data, and the installation software will not be kept hybrid. If you want to keep data, choose Keep Personal Files Only, and if you want all files and data to be deleted, choose Nothing. I'll select to keep personal files only to avoid data loss. Then select Next, the Ready to Install window pops up again, and you choose Install to install. You wait for the installer and update. During the installation and update, you should not let the machine crash because it will cause errors. Installation time and update time will take a long time. In the Device Privacy Settings window, you select Next, then choose Accept to enter Win11. So we successfully lifted our cables to Win11. After upgrading, the created files on the desktop remain, so the data will not be lost. After upgrading, you go to Settings, select Windows Update to update drivers as well as Windows Updates, and then choose Download Now in Windows Update. You've got an update. Up to Windows 11, there is a Windows.old folder in your C drive. If you want to go back to Windows 7, you can keep it. Within 10 days, you can go back, and in Windows 11, you can delete it to increase C drive capacity. You can see the video link in the description. So you know how to upgrade your computer from Windows 7 to Windows 11. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos.